So I'm out here on Coney Island, Bermuda. It's Wednesday, September the 25th, and I stumbled upon two gentlemen. In fact, I feel like I interrupted their little fishing spot first thing in the morning. It's almost 9 o'clock right now. But they have agreed to go on camera. Tell me a little bit about his fishing spot, hopefully, and how often he comes out here, because it's kind of isolated, but it's interesting. I wanted to come here because I wanted to see the pylons from the old railway track.
Bill, they call me Bill. I'm enjoying the spot, one of the spots that I sometimes go fishing at. One of the beautiful things about being in Bermuda is this beautiful ocean. And so I'm on vacation as I speak. So I'm enjoying the scenes of my beautiful island. This is one of the spots that I find where I can go fishing. One of many spots that I have for go fishing, but also just to sit off and have some peace.
Yes.
Get away from the hustle and bustle of things. There's a nice little reserve area. Beautiful, serene,
Quiet.
quiet.
Yep.
Yeah. And
normally uninterrupted by strange women. Normally.
Yeah, so when you see a woman walking by herself, you're saying, oh, okay, tourist.
Yeah.
But just maybe someone of the same yoke.
Yeah.
Just enjoying the scenes of our beautiful island.
Yes.
Sometimes we need to take that piece.
Just take it as it comes.
Yes, just for sure.
Absolutely. Well,
Yeah.
Thank you, Bill.
Thank you.
Louise. I'm out walking my dogs, and I've met this lovely lady, and we're chatting about Ferry Reach and Coney Island and the connectivity between how the island from this side of Bermuda used to connect over to the other side over Ferry Reach. And there's a little peninsula where they used to have a pulley ferry so that horse-drawn carriages, people could get across from one island to the other, and this was all before the Causeway was built.
Nice.
And so you can get across. You used to be able to. If you walk to around Ferry Reach, you can see where it connected.
Thank you so much.
Hey,
I'm glad I bumped into you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the best. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Thank you.
See
You
ya.
too. So I've just left Devin and Bill. Now they can get on with their fishing in peace without some Bermuda woman coming along and interrupting their flow. Well, they hadn't started fishing yet, so that was a good thing. They were just kind of having their breakfast on the rocks. How about that? I'm in the heart of Bailey's Bay country, having just been out to Coney Island, and now I am about to get back onto my walk along the railway trail in the Bailey's Bay vicinity. Right now I'm still standing in the Duck's Puddle area, and you can see the Duck's Puddle properties over there. And this area is actually called, this area that we're looking at the moment, is actually called Duck's Puddle Park Annex. That is the ferry going from Dockyard to St. George's on a Wednesday morning. This is all part of the railway trail. This relatively new bridge was constructed for walkers over the pylons on this bay, so it makes a nice scenic little walking tour for anyone who wants to enjoy it. Although right now it's technically out of commission, but a gentleman told me I should be okay. The bridge itself is stable and fine. It's just the railing that's questionable. I'm actually at the backside of Francis Patton School at the moment, so I can hear little kids on the playground. But on the track side here, I am noticing the pylons that are evidence of the railway trail, which ran along North Shore, seem to go down in a little dip here and come back up again on this side. So I've reached the end of the railway trail near the Shelly Bay Marketplace area, and it now cuts onto the main road, and I think I'll continue until I get to the actual Shelly Bay Beach area. But yep, as you can see behind me, I'm in a very residential area at the moment, and the main road is just out there, right there at the end of this gate. But you can also see where originally the railway track continued along those pylons. Actually, I was wrong. This railway trail ends near the Crawl Hill gas station. So I'm actually on Crawl Hill right now. That the gate here is on Crawl Hill. This is the railway trail. Boy, so overgrown. It is not funny. Whew, I'm in Bailey's Bay area, Shelly Bay area now, actually, having left Crawl Hill and followed the railway trail signs. This is where it led me. And now there's a little fork here, but I am going to go left. Learn my lesson down at St. George's. Go left and get back onto the main road, because this is kind of crazy. Oop. Either get onto the main road or get into someone's private property. Oh dear. Oh gosh. I think the main road is not far. There it is. Okay, I'm at Burchall Cove Park. Me and the cane grass. And this is Burchall Cove Park. Looks like a convenient boat mooring area for residents of this neighborhood. Well, I've reached Shelly Bay Park, so the beach is not far away. Yep, this is a little bit crazy. This gentleman helped me find my way off of Old Road onto a trail that will take me to the beach. Whew, gosh. Absolutely insane. Hurricane Ernesto has really backed things up, I believe, because all these parks are looking in bad shape. So I've come to the end point for my walk for today, Wednesday, September 25th, 2024, and I'm sitting on a bench at Shelly Bay Beach. There's one person having a nice little bathe, and I'm sitting under a tree in the shade, so it's all good. But yeah, this is Shelly Bay Beach, one of those beaches that is very low. You can stand to like waist high. I think out past those buoys, or at least up to those buoys there. So it's nice for children, quite safe. Lots of people come here in the summertime and have fun. But yeah, this is Shelly Bay Beach, Bermuda. And Shelly Bay is also a point from which you can see the port at Dockyard. And from here it looks kind of close, not as close as it was obviously from the Spanish Point Park. You will remember that one perhaps. I can't remember which episode it was, maybe about 8 or 9, but certainly the boats are as clear as day. And just as a point of interest, my step count so far, not on my pedometer this time because I actually forgot my watch, but based on my telephone, my step count is 8,399. So that's a good number of steps. I'm very happy about that. And that's as at right this minute here at Shelly Bay Beach. So I'm at the bus stop at Shelly Bay, waiting for the next bus to take me back to Bailey's Bay to pick up the car. Hopefully it'll come along within the next few minutes.
Hi.
Number, I don't know, but it's going to St. George's. Okay, so I'm back to almost to where I originally started. We'll be there in a little while. Just got off the bus, and yeah, so far it's been a good walk. So I'm going to be racking up just a few more steps on my counter, and it will have been a good day. Okay, so I'm back at my starting point, ready to jump in the car and head to Somerset. My final step count was not, or is 9,225. Yippee for me! Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. And now it is time to get home and get some lunch by the time I get there. So, bye for now.